Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit dark red presets. Here an example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. Open Lightroom app in your phone. First go to Curve. Follow the steps. And done. Exposure down to negative 0.21f. Plus 50 to contrast. Highlights down to negative 23. Shadows to plus 46. Whites down to negative 80. Blacks to plus 6. Next go to color. Plus 50 for vibrance. And saturation negative 10. Go to color next. First go to red color. Hue down to negative 14. Saturation plus 14. Luminance plus 18. Next go to orange. Negative 10 for hue. Then saturation to negative 9. And plus 23 for luminance. Go to yellow. Hue negative 100. Down to negative 30 for saturation. Or plus 26 for luminance. Saturation down to 100 green. Similarly saturation negative 100 magenta, blue, purple and pink. Next go to effect. Clarity plus 60. Dehaze to plus 20. Negative 70 for vignette. Midpoint plus 60. Feather plus 91. Roundness plus 64. 87 for highlights. Now go to detail. Sharpening 38. Noise reduction 9. Color noise reduction 30. Then go to profiles. And finished. Now copy this presets to another photo. Copy settings. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.